Picture this, a well-maintained fleet of vehicles, operating at maximum efficiency, while you focus on what really matters: growing your business. At Vector Fleet Management, we understand that every minute counts. That's why our team of experienced technicians are dedicated to keeping your vehicles on the road, minimizing downtime, and maximizing productivity. But we don't just stop at maintenance and repairs. Our comprehensive fleet management solution includes parts management, cost analysis, procurement services, and detailed reporting, giving you complete control and visibility over your fleet. And with our cutting-edge technology and industry-leading expertise, you can trust that your fleet is in good hands. Now, I can concentrate on growing my business without worrying about vehicle breakdowns or costly repairs. So, why wait? Take your fleet to the next level with Vector Fleet Management Services, the ultimate choice for efficient, hassle-free fleet management. Vector Fleet Management, your fleet, our expertise. Want to learn more? Visit our website at www.vectorfleet.com.